Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain question number 7th of exercise 2.1 of class 12th. The question is tan inverse root ax upon bc plus tan inverse root bx upon ca plus tan inverse root cx upon ab is equal to 5. We have to prove this result. We have to bring the sum of these three terms is equal to 5, and it is available to us that a sum of a plus b plus c is equal to x. So we will start by the solving left hand side, and in the left hand side students we have three terms. All the terms are in the form of tan inverse, and as you know that the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is tan inverse x plus y plus z minus xyz upon 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. So in this formula we will substitute the values of these terms. So instead of x plus y plus z, I wrote here root ax upon bc, and the second term's value, that is root bx plus ca, then root cx plus ab. In the same way here we have, in the formula we have x, y, z all are in multiplication. So here also with the same radical they all came in the multiplication, and in denominator in the formula we have 1 minus xy. So 1 minus, this is the value of x and this is complete is the value of y. So xy multiply, and in the same way yz and zx. So in short we can say that we had used the formula of tan inverse x, tan inverse y and tan inverse z to solve these three terms. After substituting the value we achieved this. Now we will simplify this. So here you can see these three terms are in addition, so to add them we have to take their LCM. So when we will try to take the LCM, we will see the denominator. Denominator is BC, then CA and then AB. So in LCM we will get here root ABC. And one more thing, that these three terms have common is x is everywhere. So root x we can take common. So after taking root x common and after taking LCM, we will get here root x came out as common, and after taking LCM we got here root a square, because this LCM when we divide by root bc we are remained with root a, so it will multiply by root a. In the same way here we will get root b square and root c square. Now here you can see that we can cancel this a and a. In the same way b and b and c we can cancel. So finally 1b, 1c and 1a will remove from the numerator and denominator, and here you can see x, there are 3x, 1, 2, 3. So we can make the pair of 2x and we can take it out. So after taking out we will get here x, and 1x is remain inside. Now in denominator one set of ABC is remained, that's why we got this. And in denominator also whatever we can cancel we will cancel, that is a cancelled by a, then b cancelled by b. In the same way here also b will cancel by b and c will cancel by c. So after all the cancellation, and in denominator you just see after cancelling we will achieve here x square, and here we will get c square. So root will remove by, because we will get inside x square and c square, so we will get x upon c. In the same way here also we will get only x upon b, and here also we will get x upon a. Now here, so here you can see this root and square will cancel each other, so we will got here a. In the same way we got here b, and here also we got c, and remaining all things I wrote as it is. Now initially what we had in the question, a plus b plus c is equal to x. Now here instead of a plus b plus c we will write down x, because it is given to us. So here we will remove this, and instead of this we will write down x. So we will already have root x and the value of these is x. So finally we will get here x root x and denominator as it is, and remaining all terms just write down as it is. Now you can see these both are same terms, so they will remove, they will cancel, they will subtract each other, and we will get here only 0. and 0 divided by any number is 0. So finally answer of these all terms is 0. And students, you know tan inverse 0's value is n pi. N is set of integers. So it can be anything, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, anything. But in question what we want, according to that we will replace. In question we want here pi, that is 1 pi. That's why in the formula instead of n we will replace it by 1, that will give us pi. So tan inverse 0 is pi. Hence we got our result, that is sum of these three terms is equal to pi. Thank you.